What's going on, everybody? It's Cody with Tactical Traders, and I just want to go over ticker symbol AAPL. That's Apple for those of you who don't know. It's recently been trading around $500, and it recently just had a 4-to-1 stock split down to 125. And we're going to be reviewing the pre-market and intraday action today. So looking here, we hit a high of 137.29 pre-market. That gives me an idea that the price could potentially get up to that area, but it's not as certain, and these aftermarket and pre-market candles don't really hold that much weight. And what I like to do on these crazy long wick candles for pre-market action or aftermarket action, I'll chop that in half, and then I'm going to go a little bit lower just for safe measures, knowing that I can get out of my positions faster than other people. And that led me down to a 131 price target. Going into our chat room, into our trade alerts, I alerted everyone around 9:57 in the morning to get in on Apple. I bought September 4th 131 calls for a day trade and the price target of 131. I usually keep the same strike price as my price target, just because when on the occasion when it does decide to break out, I will hold on to those contracts and they'll be in the money, so they'll be worth even more. Going into the pre-market candle that I see here, this big green candle, that's really what caught my eye. I thought that it was going to continue to run up into 137. That's everybody's dream, but we got to be practical here, and we got to see what we can get out of a bullish move like this pre-market. I usually like to come down around like halfway of what that candle is to see if I can get an entry point. Another area for entry point is on this 13 EMA, where I put my buy signal, and I got in around 127. So with that being said, the price did start to go up a little bit. It did break out of 128.85, but then came back down, which made me a little bit nervous because it did break that 13 EMA, and that would have been a sign for me to get out of the trade, knowing that the bears are taking control, and I need to be wary since my call contracts are bullish. So it did end up having some consolidation area in that 128 129 area and hit my price target of 131, where I sold immediately, and it looked like a lot of other people did too. Apple started to fade off during the end of the day down to 129. Now I am bullish on Apple for the next couple days or so, to potentially reach this 137 price target tomorrow. I do have this trend line drawn here, and given that it can follow it, could open us up around 132, 133 for the morning. So if you guys have any questions on Apple, I'd like to answer them. This is a stock that really moves quite quickly. I was able to lock in 35%, $200 on the trade. But for tomorrow, a trade that could end from 132 up to 137, hell, that could get us a 100% profit rating. So let's see what can happen for tomorrow. Thanks, guys, for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and we'll get back to you with any questions or concerns. Have a good day.